Good morning, students. This is your science teacher. Take out your science textbook of lesson. Now, our lesson cell structure and function. In our lesson, yesterday we seen theory of cell, the cell theory. Many scientists to study about cell structure, function, particular size, shape, etc. They discovered the many theories about cell. So, today we are start our new topic is the discovery of the cell. So many scientists are discovered and study on cell. So one scientist, that scientist name is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke observed the Kroc cell. You can see in this picture is the Kroc. Kroc cell as observed by the Robert Hooke. In this diagram, that Kroc. What is a Kroc? Kroc is the cell wall that are made up by the wax material. That Kroc cell are present in the honey. So this Kroc cell is observed by the Robert Hooke. The cell. Both bricks in the building of cell living organism are a basic structural units. Bricks in a building and cell in the living organism. Here the comparison of two example in this sentence. First sentence is a bricks in the building. So now see in this diagram, it's a brick of wall. All bricks are arranged in a particular manner. After arranging that bricks, it's create a wall. Next sentence is cell in the living organism. It's an onion peel. See, it's a brick-like structure. It's all the cell. So that all cell are arranged like a wall structure of wall. So every cell are arranged like a brick, and that cell made a whole structure like a wall. So here with the bricks in a building wall and cell in the living organism. Like the bricks in a building, same cell are arranged in our body in every living organism, and they create a whole organ, whole tissue structure in our human body. At the basic structural unit, cell is the basic structural units. The buildings through built or similar bricks. When the similar bricks are arranged, it create a building. Have a different design, or from the bricks we have create many buildings, many different size and designs, shapes, structure of the building. Similarly, in the living worlds, organism different from one another. In the living world, every organism not same with the other organism. So here all organism like aquatic animal is totally different to the land animal. That is a animals included like a tiger, elephant, all organism that living on the land, and some organism that living in water. That's the aquatic animal, and land animal is all totally different. So all organism are different from one another, but all are made up by the cell. But the basic unit is a cell. From the cell, all organism are made up. So same, the unit particle, that is the cell, is the same in every different organism in the living world. Cell in the living organism are a complex living structure Cell in living organism are a complex living structure. The structure of the cell that present in the body of living organism, it's a complex structure. Unlike the non-living bricks, the biggest single cell organism is the egg of an ostrich. The biggest single cell organism is the egg of an ostrich. Every single cell organism having a large size. It means to say that the biggest single cell organism, the size of this organism is the egg of the ostrich. So here you compare than the size of biggest single cell with the egg of an ostrich. So here we talk about some information on the cell. So how the cell are arranged with another cell, and by arranging they created a organ or tissue groups, and by the tissue group it's made up by the organs group they made up our whole body of human beings and also the other living organism. So it's a two pictures, it's a brick wall and another is an onion peel. In this both of pictures are look like the same because that bricks are arranged in a similar manner, and in an onion peel the all cells are arranged in a similar manner like a brick. It form whole wall, it form the whole structure. Next, organisms show variety in a cell, number, shape, and size. How do various organisms are show the variety in cell? In the cell, is compared with their numbers, how many numbers of cell are present in this organism's body, and what is the particular shape of cell that present in this organism, and what is the size of the cell that present in the variety of organism show its look different to the another organism. So how do scientists observe and study the living cell? How do scientists observe the study the living cell? They use microscope. Without microscope we can't see cell. Which magnifying object? Strain dyes are used to color part of the cell to study detail in a structure. In a cell, you can use the dye for color the part of the cell, and after we coloring part it's easily for study the cell structure and detail for the structure of the cell. There are a million of living organisms. They are of a different shape and sizes. You know that all living organisms are not in a same shapes and same same shape or a same sizes. They are they are of a different shape and sizes. Their organs also vary in shape. All living organisms have not the same shape and size organs are present. It's depended on their body sizes, body shapes. So all organs are vary in a shape and size and also the number of cells. In a size of and shape of organs of all living organism is not the same, and also the number of cell. Next, let us study about the sum of them. So here look at this picture is the picture of the cell, and it's a minute part of the cell. It's a single cell and it's a bunch of the cell. Next we see number of cell. Here we talk about that sentence. Their organs are vary in a shape. All living organisms body, organs are vary in a shape. It meant to say that we will see the variety. Also we see the variety of organs, shapes and size. Also how many numbers of cell that present in the every organs in the living organism's body. So number of cell. Can you guess the number of cell in a tall tree or in a huge animal like an elephant? Can you guess the number of cell? Cell is the unit part of body. It's a basic part of our body. So, can you guess the number of cell in a tall tree or a huge animal like an elephant? A billion is 1,000 million. A trillion is 1,000 billion. The number runs into the billions and trillions. So we can't imagine the number of cells that present in the tall tree body and also in the animals, huge animal like a elephant's body. So it's a number we imagine like a billion, 1,000 million, trillion, or 1,000 billion. Is the number runs into the billions and trillions. Human body has a trillion of cells which vary in a shape and size. In human body there are trillions of cells are present in a the various shape and sizes that trillions of cells are present in a human body. Different group of cells perform a variety of function. Different group of cells that present in the human body. Inside the human body, all cells are perform not the same function. They perform a variety of function where that cell are present. Suppose some cells are present in your kidneys part and some cells are present in your lungs part. But in the lungs part cell are not perform same function like a kidney part cell. So here the group of cell perform variety of the function in a different shapes and size in different organs. So here now we talk about the number of cell. The very maximum number of cells are present inside the living organism's body. So here today we talk about discovery of cell. Next, the organism show variety in cell shape and size, and we compare the brick wall to the iron pill for understanding the structure of cell. And the last topic is number of cell. So we will see next topic in the next video. So in your today's your homework is number of cell topic and the organism show variety cell number shape and size. That topic you can read